In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a plain text email in Mailchimp. This quick guide will walk you through the process, ensuring that your email communication remains effective and straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your web browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. You'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. On the top, you'll notice various tabs. Go ahead and select the one labeled Campaigns. The Campaigns tab is your central hub for managing and creating new mail campaigns. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll find a button titled Create Campaign. Click on it. This action will open a new window where you'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you want to create. For our purpose, you'll proceed by selecting email and you'll see two options here, regular and plain text. If you already know you want to send a plain text email, you can select it directly. However, if you are exploring further, you can choose regular and then click design email. Once you are in the design section, you're given two more options, the drag and drop editor and the classic builder. Instead, you'll want to opt for plain text. This selection is crucial since it supports no images or formatting, offering a clean and straightforward email interface. Before you proceed, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify your choice for a plain text format. Confirm that you wish to proceed. This step is crucial since you'll be unable to use any images or advanced design elements in your email. Now move on to filling out your email details. You'll need to add a catchy but clear subject line. This is the first thing your recipients will see. Alongside, specify your from name to ensure your audience knows who the email is coming from. Next, it's time to enter the body of your email. You can type directly into the text editor provided. Keep your language clear and concise and focus on the message you want to deliver. Utilize simple formatting options such as line breaks and spacing to enhance readability, as plain text limits you to these basics. Once your content is ready, find the preview option to check how your plain text email will appear to recipients. This crucial step allows you to spot any errors or layout issues before sending it out. After previewing, make use of the send a test email feature. This sends a sample to yourself, ensuring everything looks good in a real email client. Finally, when you're satisfied that everything is as it should be, go ahead and hit send to distribute it to your chosen recipients. Alternatively, if you want the email to be delivered at a specific time, use the schedule option. And there you have it, a simple way to create a clear, distraction-free, plain text email in Mailchimp. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.